Now this is not your average condo layout.
This is certainly not your average condo building.
And that's because on today's episode, we're showcasing one of the most highly sought after floor plans in the entire city of Barrie,
which happens to be located in one of the most highly desirable buildings in the city of Barrie.
Now make yourself at home on the penthouse level at Nautica Condominiums.
So Scotty, we are back in familiar territory again today, and no matter how many times we shoot down on Barrie's beautiful waterfront, it truly does not get old.
Couldn't agree more. Not only does it not get old, I would argue it gets better each year that goes past. Now, since the moment Nautica Condominiums was built, which is exactly where we are today, this building has just stood the test of time as one of the most highly sought after buildings in the entire city. And you can see why. All of the ingredients are exactly what our buyers are looking for. When you're downsizing from a home into a condo, you want to make sure that you got some phenomenal amenities. You want to make sure that you're in a great location. You want to make sure that you've got a great community within the building itself. And let me tell you, we check all those boxes. Let's talk about amenities for a moment, because with condos, it's about more than just the suite itself. It's about all the day-to-day amenities you're going to go outside and use. Maybe it's down to the gym in the morning. Well, we've got a fantastic one in this case with a beautiful view. Maybe it's over to the pool with the grandkids. You want to hit the hot tub, the saunas, the change rooms that are in there and come along with it. It is all beautifully laid out in this hotel-inspired amenity package. And then we've got things that you might not be thinking about, like 2 guest suites within the building. So you got overnight guests that you can't or don't want to accommodate under your roof. Well, this makes the ideal spot to have them within the building, yet not too close to home. And then we've got things like the games room and a ton of other amenities that come along with it. Now let's take a moment to focus in on that community for a moment, because this is the feedback we get from residents within the building all the time, is just how good and how much fun the community within 33 and 37 Allen Street truly are. Whether it's happy hour down in the party room on Fridays, or whether it's billiards night a Tuesday in the game room, there is always something going on. So if you're the type that wants to get out and get involved within the community of this building, this is one you want to put top of your list. Or if you just enjoy the time in your suite and taking in these views, that works for you as well.
Yeah, that's right, Scotty. So many things to love about Nautica here, and the community is really what's going to make this feel like home for you. But we cannot overstate how outstanding this location is. Again, we are on Barrie's beautiful waterfront. It does not get much closer than this. Directly across the street from us is Kempenfelt Bay and the shores of Lake Simcoe. And the exposure here from this unit is facing directly southeast, so you get to take in all those beautiful sunrises. Now, again, across the street, if you're looking for outdoor recreation here, hiking, biking, walking trails, of course, we have Centennial Beach as well. Or maybe it's the entertainment value that you're looking for with being this close to an incredible downtown like Barrie has to offer here. I'm talking about tons of local shops, restaurants, coffee shops, things of that nature. It truly doesn't get much better. Also, if you want to get into the city, you're a stone's throw away from the Allendale GO station here, but you also have excellent transportation right outside your door. As far as location goes, it's absolutely AAA.
Now let's head upstairs, because we got an incredible suite to show you today. We're not going to the 3rd floor, we're not going to the 10th floor, we're going to the penthouse. So come on with us and let's go check it out. Welcome inside penthouse number 8. Now this is the very first time the suite has ever hit the open market, so you are in for an absolute treat. The layout flows over 1,381 square feet, and it's easily one of the most functional floor plans you're gonna find, which leads to the popularity of this Bermuda model as a whole. It's incredibly easy to furnish. It makes downsizing from a home into a condo an absolute breeze, with 2 full bedrooms, a den, not to mention 2 full bathrooms that come along with it, as well as a ton of storage, which is gonna ease all of those concerns you have coming from a home. And of course, the finish level's on point when we're talking the penthouse level. We've got some stunning upgraded marble flooring that leads into some hardwood that runs end to end of the rest of the suite. In addition to that, this kitchen is an absolute staple here. A ton of customized cabinetry in here. You've got wall ovens, a KitchenAid appliance package, and then all those must-have features with the edge detail on the granite countertops, undermount sink, tile backsplash, and an incredible view from almost each and every room of this suite. And we're just getting started.
Now, as Scott mentioned, there is so much you're going to love about this floor plan, and we know that the primary buyers for these types of suites are downsizers that are coming from larger homes and sometimes wondering what you're going to do with all that furniture. Well, I can promise you this floor plan solves for all of it. You have this massive open concept living dining space that I'm standing in right now. However, if you do have grandiose plans for a dining room and you want to turn this entire space into living room, you can easily fit a 6-seater dining room table in that den that we saw that's just off the front door as well. Now, as you feed further into this space here, you can see just how open and airy grade is. That's because we're on the penthouse level here, which means we have 10-foot ceilings above me, which makes the entire space feel absolutely enormous, including these oversized windows, bathing it in natural light, and of course, giving you beautiful southeast facing views out over Lake Simcoe.
And one of my favorite parts about this Bermuda floor plan is that it has a primary side as well as a guest side, which means if you've got folks staying the night or kids that are living under the same roof, you've got total privacy from one end to the other. They've got their very own bathroom, linen closet, and a ton of storage over on that wing of the suite. And of course, let's get into the primary though. We talked about storage, and this one has a ton of it. You got a full walk-in closet in behind me here, not to mention additional storage closets that are right across the hall. The primary bedroom itself is exceptional in size, but it's also got its own customized walkout onto that beautiful balcony. You're starting each and every day taking in the beautiful views of Lake Simcoe. And of course, just past that, we've got an incredible spa-like ensuite in there. The glass walk-in shower, the jacuzzi tub, plus a beautiful marble vanity with a ton of storage. This suite truly has it all.
So Scotty, plenty to love about the interior of that beautiful Bermuda model suite that we just saw now. But when it comes to condo living, it's all about your exposure, your views, and some incredible outdoor space as well. Here we are now on this southeast facing balcony, which is large enough to put a dining table. You can certainly have a couple of chairs out here, enjoy a morning coffee or an afternoon cocktail, taking in the absolutely incredible southeast facing view in behind us here. You're gonna get a ton of sun during the day here with this southeastern exposure.
This one is all about the sun lovers for sure. You're gonna love this side of the building. But again, let's go a little bit deeper on the view that you see there. You're directly over Centennial Beach, straight up the middle of Kempenfelt Bay. You've got long water views for days out there. And of course, over to beautiful South Shore, which is just spectacular in those fall months as well. There's a ton you're gonna love about it. And again, this suite as a whole, these penthouse suites don't come available very often. Certainly the Bermuda models within the penthouse area don't come up very often. And when it comes to the south side of the building, this is literally the only one on the penthouse level. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know waterfront condos. And for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.